Dr. Gideon Toromo, who is an applicant for the Chief Officer Health Services in Baringo County, was taken to task over the shooting and murder of a teacher in 2010. Appearing before the Baringo County Assembly's Health Committee, Dr. Toromo had to answer questions on the March 2010 incident where he shot 4 people with poisoned arrows, resulting in the death of 1 victim.
Have you been charged before any court of law in this country? And if yes, what did you do?
I shot 4 people, 1 died. It became a murder case. I was diagnosed with a condition called bipolar disorder. So I was admitted in. For 2 months on treatment, I realized I had actually killed somebody without knowing. I didn't know that person. And I was sorry. After now the new constitution, I was released on bond. This case was terminated, and I have a copy of it here, on 8th of October last year. That is why I applied for this job, knowing that I had already been cleared.
The case against Dr. Toromo was terminated by the Director of Public Prosecution after the family of the deceased negotiated an out-of-court settlement after it was determined that Dr. Toromo was not mentally sound at the time of the attack. This, however, raised questions as to whether Dr. Toromo was up to the task of executing his duties.
Great people of the past, such as Winston Churchill, he had bipolar disorder, yet he was a great man. Abraham Lincoln had it, yet he was a great man. Newton had it, he was a great man. Sir Charles Darwin. So remove that doubt. When it is problem managed like mine, sky is the limit. And they say it's associated with very intelligent people.
If that condition can recur in some cases, what do you think, and what will you do when you have been aborted this job?
The doctor told me, when you miss sleep for 1 or 2 days, go for this treatment. And I've been given the drugs, so I'll sleep. I take the drugs, I relax. And I pray God that it will not recur again. And it's unlikely. And you'll note it. When you'll see, like, okay, most of you will be seeing, if I'll be moving a bit fast, check me on time.
The committee is now set to make its final recommendation on Dr. Toromo's fate. Dr. Toromo's nomination for the appointment was presented by the County Public Service Board on the basis that he qualifies for the position of Health Services Chief Officer, having served as a Deputy Director of Medical Services. Other county executive nominees who are vetted include those for the post of Treasury, Water and Irrigation, Education, Environment and Natural Resources, Lands, Transport and Gender, as well as the County Executive Officer for the post of Youth and Social Services. Henry Gedaiga, Monday Special.